What if your next guide dog didn't bark, wag its tail, or leave surprises on the sidewalk, but could still lead you around a crowded street like a pro? And oh yeah, it also runs on code and rechargeable batteries. Meet Robbie, the world's first AI-powered robot guide dog. And no, this isn't a Pixar movie, it's real life. And it's happening in Scotland. That's right, in a world where your fridge can talk to your phone and your car can park itself. It was only a matter of time before someone said, "Hey, what if we made a guide dog out of robotics?" Robbie is the brainchild of researchers at the University of Glasgow, and he's not just a box on wheels. This little four-legged tech marvel is loaded with AI, machine learning, 3D scanners, and more sensors than a Tesla in a snowstorm. The result? Robbie can map out new environments in 10 to 15 minutes, navigate obstacles, describe objects, and guide visually impaired users through indoor spaces. He even tells you the color of things ahead. That's right, he won't fetch your slippers, but he will tell you they're blue. Fancy. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but does he come with floppy ears and a cute little tail? Not quite, but what Robbie lacks in fluff, he makes up for in pure utility. While he can't yet help people cross streets like traditional guide dogs. In trials, he consistently prioritized user safety. And let's talk cost for a second. Because Robbie isn't just smart, he's economical. A traditional guide dog can cost around £38,000 to train from puppy to pro. Robbie, he tops out around £12,000. That's a robot bargain right there. Plus, no shedding. Of course, real guide dogs aren't going anywhere, and they shouldn't. As James Adams from RNIB Scotland put it, guide dogs offer companionship and emotional connection that no machine can replicate. Robbie's not here to replace that bond. He's here to help fill in the gaps, especially given the massive shortage of trained guide dogs and the long waiting lists. Think of it like Batman and Robin. Guide dogs are Batman. Robbie is Robin with Wi-Fi. And here's the bigger picture. This isn't just a cool gadget story. This is about how AI and robotics can actually make life better, safer, and more independent for people who are visually impaired. It's about tech that serves humanity, not the other way around. It's about opening doors, literally and figuratively, with innovation that's smart, thoughtful, and practical. Robbie might not be furry, but he is friendly, efficient, and ready to help lead the way into a more accessible future. So what do you think? Would you trust a robot dog to guide you around town? Or would you still prefer a good old-fashioned golden retriever with a goofy grin? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And if you enjoyed this story, give the video a thumbs up and check out the next one on your screen. Who knows what other wild tech creation is just around the corner? Spoiler, it might involve drones and coffee delivery. Just saying.